Hello, my name Sub Lieutenant Jirayut Onsis, Nawintra Chutis Community College, Bangkok. Presentation Innovations, Monitoring of the particles and matter in the air to ensure the prevention of the impacts on the public health. Motivations for innovation developments from our communities interviews with the pupils in the Nuanjan areas. We saw the importance in the airborne. That's the may affect the body because the people in the air walks outdoors without learning how much dust in the patient as they and the what level in the will the affect health, in the will the worsen the basic economic situation in the family and the caring entity in the daily life. For the picture, the photos of community visits empathize for the design thinking. Statistical data collected from field visits, from analyzing data sensor, information from the current health station, during summer's May, repository system project. Analyzing and extract data from the persona, environmental the problems of the seed spot, problem with the operation of the external pipes, the problems of the operation water in the canteen, the problems of the airborne dust that the helmets of the mask, and concise behavioral that's not protect agent that brings data to analyze the problem that our team expects to be able to define design thinking, the problems of the less amount of dust in the air and the unknown quantities, concerning the health and hygiene of the people. Behavioral of not various protective equipment without rising dust. Consider the provision of the wearing and the dust match. Defines analysis image. Analyzing data to interface care in the seizure. Ideas brainstorming for innovation based practicing problem. For the pictures, Fox behavioral models. High ability, discoverable to do, easy to do, motivations high, low, behaviorals that are designed and expected to be achieved. From the picture, the obtained data was used to design and build adapt the measuring design. Brings innovation to test, ties, quality in the simulation room and real locations. Signal oscilloscope measurements reliability. Testing for efficiency in data qualities. Red shows blues, greens, yellows, orange, and red. Show the picture results obtained of experimental data from the observation and the interviews evaluate at qualities levels. Data contradiction from the 1 week. This is innovation and applies knowledge to the what Nuanjan's communication. From the picture, dissemination of innovation to the community and the secondary school as a function school. From the picture, dissemination of innovation to the communities and the secondary school at the Yemjat Vichanson School. From the picture, disseminating innovation to education institution brings innovation to test quality in the real presence. Distance 1 meter and 2 meter distance. To Tyson innovation was tested in the front of the Kokam police station for 1 week. Takes the title innovation to test in front of the Tapchalan health station. Expected benefits from innovation development. 1. Gain insight from the local people and the practice skill in using correlation to lead to development of innovation that meet use needs with quality. 2. Help extend the lifespan of the people in the area to have good health and be safe from respiratory disease. Kids wildlife protection of the people to use equipment to protect acid, dust and smoke from aspiration apparatus theory. Presents innovation to the Secretary General of the Vocational Education Commission. We will continues to development innovation that benefits the environment and health and the safety of the society and communities.